send me so much stuff, and I mean stuff, hair products. Thank you guys, first off. See what we have, and I'm gonna rate this stuff, guys. I'm gonna tell you if it's good. I mean, I got all type of good stuff. I got a whole box here from Kiss. Kiss, I didn't even know you made products. I thought you did like makeup and stuff, but you guys have a little bit of everything. Cool stuff. Headband, this is super cute. You know, we can little headband. Love a flat iron. It's just so much cute stuff in here. So Kiss, I'll tell you if this stuff is good. I love this because the packaging is super cute. Player? What's this about? Dry shampoo. Smells so good. Well, one thing I like about this brand is I love the packaging. Anything with good packaging, I love. Really grabs my eye. This is good packaging, Player. I like it. Really good stuff, you know? Really, really, really good stuff. And I pray that it's good because trust me, I'm gonna tell you. Okay? And Frederick Fekkai. It looks like these guys are switching directions and doing a lot of products for CBD. This might be something special. Frederick, I'm gonna let you know because you know I love your products. Ultimate luxury, guys. The ultimate luxury. So it's good to see something that's affordable. And this product too, Virtue. Let's see what it's about. The packaging, awesome. I'm gonna let you know, Virtue. All right.